Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to add your billing address on the application of Weverse. You will go to Weverse app as you see here. Then you will wait a moment, you will go to the sign of shop. On above, you will go to this sign here and you will click. In this list, you will click on billing addresses. Here you will wait a moment. As you see, you'll find this page. You will click on add billing address, and then you can add your billing address. Here you will add your name, last name, country address, and then you click save. So please don't forget